Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Grab all of your sheet together and dive into the world of creativity. Here you have to make the flowers and patterns like this, and then you need to join them up together in this manner. Now here again, get the stick and fold them up in this form, and your flower is gonna look absolutely pretty. Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to get the conical shape, make it into this form, and then here you have to get the shape like this. Further here you need to get them attached into the form of a mushroom in this manner. Get the clay pasted in this form. This is gonna look pretty. You can make it in this way. Now here let's see how are we gonna make these maple leaves. You have to get the sheet, get the folds along the lines in this manner. You have to press them gently with the help of your fingers and then secure it like this. Further here again, what are we up to? You have to get the leaves, securing them in this manner. Then get a stick and attach them in this form. This is gonna look absolutely beautiful. Now here you have to get a sheet, get them folded along the lines in this manner, and now here you have to tuck them up in this way. Now further you have from the middle you need to secure it like this, and then from the top you need to make it in this form. Flap the ears in this way and then make it in this form. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Isn't it amazing? You have to flap the wings like this, and these are gonna look absolutely adorable. Isn't it cute bunnies? Now here get another sheet and let's move further and let's see what are we gonna make out of it. So you have to get the cuts along the lines in this manner, and then here you have to get them beautifully prepared in this form. You have to attach them up like this and get them beautifully secured in this form and get this beautiful lovely cups made. These are cute, isn't it? Now here get a sheet, you need to get the cuts in this manner, get them folded along the lines in this way, and now here you have to secure them up in this form. Get this beautiful and adorable Pikachu made, and then you need to form it into the form of rings like this, and you can wear it on your fingers. Further, let's have a look. Proceeding in this manner, you have to get a sheet, fold them up in this way, and then get them beautifully secured like this. Now here you have to get them beautifully made, and then you need to press them up with the help of your fingers. Get them gently pressed in this form, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now here you have to get them made into this manner, and now you have to secure them up like this and get them beautifully secured in this manner. Get them made into this way, and this is gonna look pretty. Further here again, what are we up to? You have to get the sheet, fold them up in this manner, and now you need to secure them up in this way. Then what are we going to do? You need to make the flip-flap wings in this manner, get the shape of a heart, and then secure them up in this form. Then make it into the form of a ring. This is gonna look beautiful. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.